Hi, my name is David. I'm a soon-to-be 10th grader in S plus M, and for my project, I chose the Cyclone game. The project consists of an LED light that wraps around a ring, and basically an LED light travels around the circle, and you have to hit it at the correct time with the click of the button. I chose this project because it seemed like a fun game that I could build and also keep around after I'm done building it. One of my strengths going into this project was that I had a little bit of background code experience, which did help a bit in the project. This is what the game looks like just lit up normally, but then with this button, if you click it, the game would start. And basically when the light travels around the circle, you have to hit it between these three LEDs. So if I miss that, the game would restart and I would play again. But if I hit the LED, then I would move on to the next level. And it progressively gets faster, and then at one point there's only one LED to hit until it gets faster and faster, like that. One of the main components of this game is the wiring. The black wire on the LED is connected to ground here on the Arduino, and the red wire is connected to 5 volts on the Arduino. I also have a data input wire connected from the LED to the data input 6 pin. And then for the button, I have a red wire connecting to ground, the same as the LED, and also a voltage input here with the orange wire set at pin number 4. This is the code that I used, which connects all the pins that I put the wires in. For example, the data pin for the LED would be 6, and the data pin here on the LED is also connected to 6, which is how the code would run properly. One of the major problems I had was the wiring. A lot of the times the wiring didn't work. Maybe it was clipped too loosely or not clipped good enough, and it just took a lot of tries to connect all the wires correctly so that it lit up how it's supposed to. I overcome those challenges with the help of my instructor and also a lot of attempts at doing the same thing, trying many various different ways to try to solve it, clipping it tighter or clipping it in a different way and whatnot. One major lesson that I learned throughout this project was that you shouldn't feel discouraged when you make a mistake or error, because although they might not be easy to overcome, at one point, if you give it enough time, you will overcome it and you will achieve what you've been working for. Bluestamp Engineering helped me by giving me a lot more experience in the field of engineering and helping me decide if engineering is something that I would want to do in the future. This project will help me in the future as it shows the experience in engineering that I gained from this program.